Hello, welcome to Manu's Medley. We have been regulars at Orchard Home Farm for a while now, and every year we look forward to this season because it's apple picking time. By the end of the video, you will know why we look forward going to this farm. Come on, let's head over to Orchard Home Farm in Brant.
In 600 meters, you will arrive at your destination. You have arrived.
The farm is open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. all 7 days in a week.
Available today, we do have Spartan, Fox Orange Pippin, Red Court, Smoothie, Gala, Jonah Gold, Portland, Crimson Crisp, Ambrosia, Empire, and Macintosh.
Yep. Awesome. Thank you.
Yep.
I can have some 5 bags.
We have got the list of varieties ready for picking today and also got 5 bags, one for each variety of apple. So let the hunt for best apples begin.
That's so helpful.
We started with Empire apples but didn't quite like the taste, so we are moving on to the next variety. Parking here is super duper easy. There's plenty of space and best of all, there is no entry fee. You simply pay for what you pick. Orchard Home Farm is more than just apples, so stay with me until the end to see everything this place has to offer.
Apple, you see that one hanging right there?
Yeah, it's almost like a treasure hunt. We have to go search for apples. Find the good ones and bag them, okay?
Yeah.
Come.
The other one. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, but it's very sour. We don't need it. Let's get some other sweet varieties.
What is this?
This is ambrosia. Yeah, this tastes amazing. Wow, that's a big one. A huge apple. How many more you want? This one is very
Then we'll get
delicious.
this because this one is stuffy on the tree.
That was Ambrosia, our personal favorite. Sweet, crisp and delicious. Next, we are going to check on Jonah Gold.
That's so huge.
It's a massive one.
Yes, it is.
The massive.
Very
There's
nice.
cocktail inside. Cocktail.
Cocktail? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very juicy, sweet, not sour. It's a mild sweetness.
The difference between farm fresh and store-bought apples is huge. These are so much fresher and juicier.
Probably.
It would be Gala. Yes, it is Gala.
We have tasted Empire, Ambrosia and Jonah Gold so far. Empire didn't make the cut for us, but we filled our bags with Ambrosia and Jonah Gold. And of course, we are still exploring the other varieties.
Again. Smoothie.
Done. So this is called.
The farm is currently open for the season and you can always check their Instagram page for updates on what's available for picking.
You got it.
I can jump.
We picked all the varieties we liked and now we are moving on to see their pumpkin collection. They have a huge selection, whether you want them for cooking or just for decoration, they have it here.
Pumpkin! I'm gonna buy a pumpkin. We also have this
It's cute, இருக்குல்ல?
type of pumpkin.
This is so
See,
cute.
this is a type of pumpkin.
Hey, this is nice too. Yes, it is. See this?
Ooh.
So cute. Acorn squash. With gravel stain.
See this.
That's not no pumpkin. I can barely hold this one.
big ones. See here, it's so big.
That's giant. It's so big. It's giant. It's very, very giant. But I found a little pumpkin.
Now we are at the checkout, and as I told you before, there is no entry fee. You pay for only those you pick. But remember to carry cash or your debit card. They don't accept credit cards. And don't leave it because the fun doesn't stop with apples and pumpkins. For the little ones, there are wagons to ride around the farm. They also sell different varieties of corn, honey, apple cider. These are some recipes that you can try out using the fruit you pick.
Antalya apple squash soup.
Acorn pumpkins.
We even got to taste their freshly pressed apple cider. I highly recommend it. It's super refreshing. They also have this old style cider press machine on display. This machine reminds me the sugarcane juice maker on the roadside in India. If you don't feel like carrying bags around while picking, don't worry. They also offer pre-picked apples. Just grab a bag, pay and go. The list doesn't end here. They also have multiple varieties of fruit spreads, jams and honey on sale. Visiting Orchard Home Farm is always a pleasure. It's not just about apple picking, it's a wholesome fall experience that we look forward to every year. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such travel videos. I'll meet you in the next. Until then, bye bye.